So I know I look a little bit funny, but that's okay. We're going to fix it. We're going to fix it together. That's okay. I do have a wig that I want to try out. The name of the wig is called, it's a half wig, or it's a wig, and it's in color 4. The style is HW Ellie. Okay, Ellie, I hope you come through for me. So this is how she looks like. I'm gonna try and see how we can make that focus. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, this. So it's straight out the box. I know I'm going to look more funnier, but still, yeah, let's see. Oh, I kind of like the feel. It's a little bit soft. Just a little bit soft for a synthetic wig. This is how she looks like straight out the box. Ellie. Okay, quit playing, girl. Let's get started. Oh, okay, so it has, this is how it looks like inside. It has a comb in front and a comb in at the back, just for extra security, I believe. And it still has like adjustable straps by the side. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So let's try it. Hold up. Oh, girl. What? You don't say. Okay. Kind of liking the side part. So I was actually inspired by, there's this YouTuber and TikToker I was inspired by to try this look, the exact same look, but she had hers in blonde though, and her name is Shalantrition. I have the scarf on. Found do a time lapse for this thing because it's not working. Bruh. And when I remove the scarf, it still looks funny. What the hell? I was going for this look is supposed to come out good. Look at me giving you guys vibes. On the camera, it looks fantastic. Hello there. Hi. What's up? We wait. Big hair. Don't care. Put some goldfish on here. Let's try. Some to see how I look with it on camera. Let me see, like shine bright like a diamond. Ooh, ooh. Shine bright like a diamond. be happy. You and I will see. Like, giving you some 90s vibe. So guys, I actually do like the finished product of the hair. Look at what I look like. Oh my gosh, your girl is looking lit. Bounce the hair, girl. Big hair, don't care. Guys, till I see you again next time. Ciao. Sending love and light your way.